Good morning, students. Welcome in computer class of 7th standard. And today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter name is Working with Tables and Queries. So open your computer books, page number 94. In this chapter, we will learn editing tables in Access, making changes in datasheet view, moving through records, sorting data within a tables, calculation in database, filtering in datasheet, advanced filtering in datasheet, searching in datasheet, querying a database, setting a relationship between tables, creating a query, specifying simple and multiple criteria. So students, today we are going to learn from this chapter adding a field in datasheet view, adding a field in design view, deleting a field in datasheet view, deleting a field in design view, moving a field and freezing a field. So start with the first topic, editing tables in Access. Now we will learn how to add a new field in datasheet view. So these are the steps to add a new field in a datasheet view. Now I am going to tell you practically these steps. So first of all, open Access on your computers and then open the table in datasheet view. Like here you can see I have opened one table in datasheet view. Now here I want to insert a new field, means I want to insert a new column. Then how we can insert? Just right click on the drop down arrow of the field, like I want to add a new field before salary field. So just right click on the drop down arrow of the field. You can see a context menu will appear. From here you have to select the insert field option. Click on it. Now you can see a new field named as a field 1. Field 1 will be inserted before the selected field. So these are the steps to add a new field in datasheet view. Now next is how to add a new field in design view. So these are the steps to add a new field in design view. I'll tell you practically how we can add a new field in design view. Now students, open your table in design view. Here you can see I have opened this table in design view. Now place the cursor on the field above which you intend to add a new field. Like I want to add a new field above this department field. This is a department field. I want to add a new field above the department. So place your cursor on the department field and then right click on it and then click on Insert Rows. Now you can see a new blank row is inserted above the selected field. So these are the steps to add a new field in a design view. Next is deleting a field in datasheet view. So these are the steps to delete a field in datasheet view. I'll tell you. Now students, open your table in datasheet view. Here you can see I have inserted one blank field. Now I want to delete this field. So first is right click on the field. Here you have to right click and select the delete field option. This is a delete field option. Click on it. Now Access prompts a message to confirm deletion. Click yes to confirm the deletion and no to cancel the deletion. So now here I am going to press yes. Now you can see the field is deleted. So these are the steps to delete a field in datasheet view. Next is deleting a field in design view. We have done deletion in datasheet view. Now the deleting a field in design view. These are the steps to delete a field in design view. I'll tell you practically. Now students, open your table in design view. Now you can see I have opened my table in design view. So second step is select the row containing the field that you want to delete. Like I want to delete this blank row, just select it, and then in design tab, delete rows option is there under tools group. This is a tools group and this is a delete rows option. Just click on it. Now you can see the full field is deleted. One more method is there, that is with right click. Now students, here I want to delete this salary row. So right click over there, click on delete rows option. Access prompts a message to confirm deletion again. Click yes to confirm the deletion and no to cancel the deletion. So here I am going to press yes. The row is deleted. Next is making changes in datasheet view. How we can do the different changes in datasheet view. First is moving a field. How we can move a one field from one place to another. So these are the steps to moving a field. I'll tell you practically. Now students, open the table in datasheet view. Here I have opened the table in datasheet view. Now select the field that you want to move. Like I want to move this teacher name field. Click on its header and then drag it horizontally and drop it at the desired location. While dragging, you will find a dark line appearing between the fields. This indicates the position where the field will be placed. Now you can see field location is changed. So these are the steps to move a field in datasheet view. Next is freezing a field. Freezing a field in MS Access refers to making the selected field column appear at the leftmost side in a table and make it visible at all the times irrespectively of the directions you scroll. So these are the steps to freeze a field in datasheet view. I'll tell you practically how we can freeze a field. So students, open your table in datasheet view. I have opened. Next is right click on the column heading of the field that you want to freeze. Like I want to freeze this teacher name field. Just right click on the column heading. From here you have to select the option freeze fields. Click on it. Now you can see the selected column is shifted to the extreme left of the table. It means this field is freezed and this field is visible at all the times irrespectively of the directions you scroll. So these are the steps to freeze a field in datasheet view. Next is unfreeze a field. Unfreeze a field means which field you have already freezed, that field how we can unfreeze. So these are the steps to unfreeze a field. I'll tell you practically how we can unfreeze a field. Students, here you can see I have freezed teacher name field. So now I want to unfreeze this field. Right click on any column heading and then select the option unfreeze all the fields. Click over there. Now this field is unfreezed now. So these are the steps to unfreeze the field. So students, this is all about of today's class. Here you have learned adding a field in datasheet view, adding a field in design view, deleting a field in datasheet view, deleting a field in design view, moving a field, and freezing and unfreezing a field. I hope you have understood this today's class. So do the practical of this chapter at home. Thank you.